Okay, what you need to understand is this recent talk about paganism, and that's they're talking about the book that Charlie Kirk wrote, the forward in Pagan Threat, and there's another book out called Pagan America. And what you have to understand about paganism is the Pagan Federation International, their own definition of paganism is a nature-worshiping religion. Nature's not just this climate change and the global warming, global cooling, and stuff that you hear about. Nature includes animals. The Green New Deal that they're pushing is part of this paganism garbage. But nature includes animals. And so all of your animal rights laws are based on paganism, which is in violation of the First Amendment of the Constitution. Because the First Amendment says Congress shall enact no law respecting the establishment of religion nor prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Well, your free exercise of religion is exercising the dominion that God gave you over the animals, earth, fish, and fowl that you own, because that dominion is given to you by your Creator. If you're a Christian, in the Christian Bible, in the King James Bible, it even says it in Genesis 1:26 and 1:28. So that is your free exercise of religion. Excuse me. But the government cannot enact, or Congress cannot enact any laws respecting the establishment of religion. And your animal rights laws are based upon the animal worshiping practice of paganism, which is a religion. So therefore, the animal rights laws are an attempt by the government to adopt laws respecting the establishment of the pagan religion as a governing orthodoxy in America, as the government tries to force Americans into the religious practice of paganism. And keep in mind that God had Jericho destroyed. Every man, woman, child, and animal in Jericho was to be killed. Because why? Because they were practicing paganism. And that's literally what's going on in America today. And people need to understand it. The 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the United States has applied the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments of the Constitution, to every state. So the states cannot enact laws that are in violation of the Bill of Rights. So the states cannot enact a law that is in violation of the First Amendment, the Second, the Third, the Fourth, the Fifth, the Eighth, the Ninth, or the 10th Amendments. And you need to keep that in mind, because what's going on in America today is exactly what's being warned about with this pagan book, Pagan Threat, and the book, Pagan America. I appreciate your time, and we'll talk to you again. Talk to you next time.